I can honestly say that 2022 was the year that broke my wife and I out of our shell. A shell that consisted of parenting, work dedication, concerns of what is to come, and how to manage it. I'm not saying we weren't happy within our shell, but there was just so much more. The little things that always blow over us, and we never stop and think about them. I'm talking about friendships, laughter, storytelling, conversating about past experiences, and planning new ones. Spring was difficult. Winter routines of going to bed early, figuring out what streaming TV service to surf through, was a hard habit to get out of. Coming from a cold, snowy winter with energy levels just non-existent, and the thoughts of getting out were just not there. Spring also gave us the experience of an unexpected loss. It was devastating, and I just wanted to run back into my shell and say screw it. The excitement what the unknown future had in my mind was gone. But it wasn't. Life goes on, and a tragedy isn't always devastation, but more of a realization of what life has to offer and how short it really is.
No one else.
Summer consisted of jeeping, boating, barbecues at the lake, and all those little things I brought up earlier. As much as our shell was trying to pull us back in, friendships were pulling us out of it. And we thank you for it. We cherished every moment.
We don't have to worry about nothing, 'cause we got the fire, and we're burning one hell of something. They're gonna see us from outer space, light it up like we're the stars of the human race. We don't wanna leave, no, we just wanna be right now. And what we see is everyone on the floor acting crazy till the lights out.
running to the city. I got the new word in my view. I got the new word in my view. Oh, my joy and I pursue. Oh, I'm running to the city. I got the new word in my view.
They ain't got no muscle, no hustle, no backbone. I stand alone, not tripping, just saying I'm different. Ain't hanging on to the coattails of the next man. Passport in my left hand, thinking that you are next. Heck, oh, you ain't holding your breath, man. Cause I'm out here, I'm hungry. I don't play around, trust me. Ain't had as much drive since my Honda Civic got rusty. And my girl said that she loved me. It's funny, just thinking back. Study hard for that 9 to 5 like I thought that I should be good with that. I was dreaming, still dreaming. Spotlight on me like Willie Beeman. Still performing like Al Pacino. Instagram and tuxedos with my peoples. We growing up, still don't seem like we slowing up. 10 squad, we throwing up every time that we showing up. Get it while I'm living. All I ever hear's the clock tick, tick, ticking. So I'm about my business and I'm running with it now. They don't wanna give it up, we gon' make it out. Got to get it while I'm living. All I ever hear's the clock tick, tick, ticking. So I'm about my business and I'm running with it now. They don't wanna give it up, we gon' make it out. It don't get no greater, feel like I'm on fire. Feel like I'm Johnny Storm, feel like I'm volatile, explosive. Get close enough, you'll notice your girl act out of character when she see me approaching. Ain't poaching, I'm just saying, it's nothing. You punching above your weight, I'm something. She ain't seen no substitute in the 18. That's BA, Baracus, that BS, that whackness. Get no play in my axis, make them jump like AJ Hackett. Guarantee you, in these boots, they couldn't walk 1 mile. Really need to go and hang it up like a drunk doll. So behind the times, they should probably rock a sundial. Shattering their dreams, I can make big puns small. Music from the soul, don't need them to help me. If they fiending for the flash, they should take another selfie. Said I'm running like Mo Farah, so dapper. Swear the whole world could go against me, it don't matter, man. Get it while I'm living. All I ever hear's the clock tick, tick, ticking. So I'm about my business and I'm running with it now. They don't wanna give it up, we gon' make it out. Got to get it while I'm living. All I ever hear's the clock tick, tick, ticking. So I'm about my business and I'm running with it now. They don't wanna give it up, we gon' make it out.
Fall is where I was tested. My shell was no longer arm's length away, and there was no turning back. I had to lead instead of follow. Responsibility was in my hands, and Drummond Island was the test. Happy to say I passed, and I can't wait to go back and experience it as the playground it is, over the test I made it out to be.
Get it while I'm living. All I ever hear's the clock tick, tick, ticking. So I'm about my business and I'm running with it now. They don't wanna give it up, we gon' make it out. Got to get it while I'm living. All I ever hear's the clock tick, tick, ticking. So I'm about my business and I'm running with it now. They don't wanna give it up, we gon' make it out.
2022 Jeeping ended with a memorial run that was filled with laughter, beautiful colors, broken Jeeps, and memories that brought the whole year together. Thank you to all those involved for letting us join these experiences. The good, the bad, the sad, and all the drama in between. We can't wait for what 2023 brings. My name is Shannon. Thanks for watching. This is Warthog Overland.